morning, friends. Today we are going to learn some running skill. So our topic is on middle distance. So we will see the body positions and the running skill of middle distance runner. So how our body position should be. This video will help, and this what I am going to teach you. Will learn you to give the coaching. If you are giving coaching to a student, if you are if you are teacher, if you are coach, and if you are teaching your student, if your student is a middle distance runner, and if you are teaching these skills will help him to improve his performance, as well as he can give his optimum performance while these maintaining these body positions. So we will see some body positions. So our hand positions, head positions, leg positions, knee positions, and foot positions, and whole our body position also. So we will start from our first, that is our head position. So in our head positions, we have to keep some key points, some 2-3 key points while running. If you are running in this direction, so we have to see in this direction, straight in this direction only, not your left side or right side, not here and there, or not upside. You have to see straight and downwards in front of you. If you are looking here, there, or looking in front of you as far, so it will demotivate you while you are running, and it will lose your concentration at the time of running. And then second thing is that if you are running, you have to keep your face relaxed and little loose. Not you have to you have to keep your face very tight. You have to keep your face relaxed, and the position of your head, the chin should be not upward or downward, little downward, not even straight, little downward, and facing straight in front of you and looking in front. Okay, this was our head positions. So our next position is our hand position. We will see our hand position. So in our hand positions, we will see our hand positions. First of all, you have to keep your hands in a 90 degree. The elbow should be 90 degree, and at the time of running, if your the hand should be, the palm should be like crisp if you are holding a crisp, and the movement of the hand should be not up from your ears. And at the back time, you have to go, the elbow should be taken back from your body. This position we have to perform, and the hand should not exceed our ears. In sprinting, we exceed our hands, but in middle distance running, we have to see some points of our hands and legs also, that we have to not exceed too much in middle distance. So this our hand position. You have seen the palm position also, and the elbow should be 90 degree. And while running, we have to not take our hands crosswards. Like if you are running, you have to not take our hands crossward. It should be straight in one plane, in one direction in which you are moving. This was our hand positions, and our shoulders should be relaxed, not tight, not upward, should be relaxed while running. So these are our point of hand positions. So next, so we will move on our next positions. Next position is our knee and leg position. So in our leg and knee position, the position of our knee should be we have to raise our knee and foot. So in sprint, we have to raise our knee and foot up to our hip level. In middle distance running, we have to not lift as much as in how much we are lifting in our sprint. In this, we have to lift our knee and leg little below from your hip. This will be our position of legs and knee while running. So and our hamstring should be strong while running. If you are running, this knee position and hip position will be little below from our sprint running positions. This will be our leg position and knee position. So next is our next position is our foot strike. So in our heel strike, we will see how does our heel strike on the ground. Many people strike some toes while middle distance running. This is our middle distance running. Many people strikes heel also. This will lead to injuries. So how we have to strike? We will see that which part of our heel should be, which part of the foot we will strike. So we have to strike the middle part of our foot. So this is, if you can see this is our middle part of our foot. This is our main middle part of our foot. You can see this. So this is our main part of our foot. we have to learn, we have to lead this, we have to keep this foot on the ground while running, and you have to keep your toes in the direction which you are running, and you have to keep your toe not very loose, not too much tight, and we have to perform this, and we have to and if you have to land our foot below our body. If you are running, your body will be lean, so you have to keep your foot below the body. You have to strike the foot below your body only, and while after landing, you have to flick very fast to move your body forward. So this was our foot strike. Next is our whole body position. We will see our whole body position. So in our whole body position, we have seen our positions of our body parts. In our whole body position, we have to see this, how much we have to lean. You have to lean 2 to 3 degrees forward. In sprint we lean little more, but in middle distance we have to lean little only, 2 to 3 degree forward, and our legs should be legs and hand will move alternate. If our right leg is going forward, then our left hand will go forward, and if our left leg is going forward, then our right hand will go forward, and we have to move our whole body, hands, legs, foot, and we have to see in the single plane which we are moving. This will be our hand positions, leg positions, and feet positions, and whole body position. We have to keep in our mind these positions while running. These all positions will help you to give you a good performance while running. Then we will see, now we will see our next how that we have to run. So you have seen that our middle distance running skill, how we have performed this. Keep these all small points, that positions of your body in your mind, and if the teachers and coaches, please give give these tips to your students, that your students will able to perform while keeping this point in their mind properly. Okay friends, thank you.